I finally made it to the airport. I am 15 minutes late. We would like to celebrate one of our flight attendants' birthdays today. Bree's birthday is today. She served the main cabin, so everybody could sing happy birthday to her. That would be great. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday girl. You like happy birthday? What are those? I ended up being late to my trip today. I got to the airport. Previous flight had just pulled in and was still deplaning, but technically I was still considered late and I will be getting a point for being late, which is kind of a bummer because I didn't delay the flight or anything. The previous flight was still deplaning. So technically, although I was late, I wasn't. But yeah, I still will be penalized for that, which is unfortunate. Pero what can you do? And then the lady who was working with us was saying like that she loved how calm I was. But I'm like, why stress yourself out even more? What's done is done, you know? That's how I live. We are in the Seattle airport. The girls are getting Subway. It's the only thing that's open right now. It is currently 9:30 and our flight is at 11:20. They had called us to pre-board a flight, pero the crew llegó, entonces ya no nos necesitaban. So we're here getting a quick meal before everything closes at the terminal. And then we're gonna sit for about an hour before we have to show up to our gate. The other lady que está trabajando con nosotros, creo que va a salir con nosotros in Texas. We kind of told her that we brought boots and that we were planning on going out. And Bree actually brought 2 pairs of boots. So I think la señora se va a poner a pair of the boots. So we'll see.
I was in training with somebody a long time ago that bought a red pair of boots when she was still in training and we were broke.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
About what? Oh, like Louis Vuitton?
She bought these, I don't know, some
Okay.
brand.
I'm right for service.
These are so cute. So cute on you.
This is the view from my hotel. You can see the moon. We have made it to the hotel. It is currently 6 in the morning. I am super exhausted. I'm about to wash my face and call it a night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Buenos días. Ya estoy arreglada. Denim on denim. Just tucked in my shirt into my shorts, and then I am wearing these little cowgirl boots. Texas inspired outfits. I don't really know where what we actually have planned. I know we wanted to go eat somewhere and then a bar. We do have a pretty early report tomorrow, so I don't think we're gonna stay out too late. And we've looked up some of the places and they close early on Sunday, which is kind of weird because isn't Sunday technically still part of the weekend? But maybe here in Texas, they don't really do Sunday fun day. We'll take you guys with us wherever we end up. I'm trying to decide if I should wear my hair up. We're hot outside, so I think if I wear it like that, it'll be cute. I'm gonna go ask my friend about getting this. Where's the entrance? Outside.
Well, it's awesome.
Oh, I haven't had one in a while. Texas sausage. Birthday shots for the birthday girl. Cheers. Birthday. Do a cheers for your birthday. Say a toast. Cheers to the last chapter of your 20s.
Oh my god, yeah.
That's cute, right? Enjoying the last chapter. So we're trying to find directions to Guadalupe, which is, what did you say it was? Like a bar slash...
It's a Texas nightclub.
Texas nightclub. They have like a dance floor, they have the electric
We can actually see that when we go.
bar.
No, they have a real...
Oh, they have a real... No, they don't. They do? Sunday. It looks like it'd be fun. They have so many pool
If
tables.
it's like this place gets...
Not today. Y'all come back now. Not on a Sunday. No Sunday fun day here. left her wallet in the Uber. So a lot of the bars aren't letting us in because she has her ID in the wallet. Thankfully, the Uber driver was able to contact us. Some of the bars aren't letting us in because she has no ID. She has a photo of her passport, but not everyone is accepting it. Well, let's see if they even accept it here. Or should we just sit and pretend? Let's just sit right here.
My graduation. And we couldn't even go to any of the bars.
We got her her drink, so we are in good spirits. Alright, we're walking to see where else they let us in. Look, he has a little fluff. The cholos in town. Why is it so empty? Can I do a vodka tonic? Thank you.
There's no dollar sign on peace of mind at this time of company. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast, and a little bit cheap pride. Go beer on Friday night.
Cheers.
We got it. And then we checked our ID.
When we finally got her ID, and they're not checking it anymore.
Rescued me from reaching for the bottle and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy.
Good morning, guys. It is currently day 3. Let's go home then. Just throwing in last minute stuff into my maleta. I'm running a little late. Good morning. It is currently 4 in the morning. I'm running a little late. Hopefully the crew doesn't get upset. Day 3, go home day. I already got as well as said how our last night went. We're here in Dallas. I was able to grab some coffee before the flight, but we're still deplaning. Two.
Right here. Seattle Tacoma International.
Oh, blind hair clips.
Take 2. Heels are on. The trip has ended. It was such a good trip. Oh, I just got a new little stand, so you guys are a little wobbly. But a recap of last night. The plan was to go to Billy Bob's, but we ended up going to several different bars on that street. Ended up dancing a Texas man and he bought us ranch water. Was it called ranch water? Swamp water? Fresh water? Something like that. I don't know. I never heard it before, pero It was like tequila with lime juice, water. I don't know, it was an interesting drink. But yeah, we had so much fun. And then it was funny because we were telling the pilots this morning about the swamp water. Our plane had came in late. So we were gonna go and walk over to Dunkin' Donuts to grab coffee. And so les preguntamos si querían algo. And they were like, no, we'll just have that swamp coffee on the plane. Oh, we couldn't stop laughing. It's the end of our trip. Thank you